Today we're going to talk about the properties of logs. Logarithmic rules. Since logarithms are exponents, all rules of exponents apply to logarithms. Remember when we had a common base with exponents and we were multiplying, we actually added the exponents? Well, it's kind of similar with logs. Product rule means that if we're multiplying, we change it to addition. For division, we change it to subtraction. But if you're going to go from a single log to multiple logs, you've got to remember to keep the base because you can only apply this to common bases. Power is where you actually bring the exponent to the front. This one's kind of a little different, so you might want to make sure you double check that all the time. Square rooting means raising to the half power, which is an exponent. So again, you're going to bring the exponent to the front of the log. The fourth root of a cubed, which really means a to the 3/4 power, again, it's an exponent, so you bring the exponents to the front of a log. All right, so let's actually work with these properties. Number one, the expression log 3 of a to the 5th b is equivalent to. So they gave it to me as a single log, so they're going to want me to apply the rule, stretch it out. So we're going to have log base 3 of a to the 5th. 5 is an exponent, he comes to the front. So 5 log base 3 of a times means addition, log base 3 of b. Okay, so that's choice 3. Let's take a look at number 2. If x equals a divided by the square root of b, express log 10 of x in terms of log 10 of a and log 10 of b. So they want me to write it using the rules for logs. So it's going to be log base 10 of a. Division means subtraction. Square rooting means raise to the half power. Half power is next when it comes to the front, minus 1/2 log base 10 of b. Okay. If L equals x squared divided by k, then log of L is, let's apply the rule. So log of x squared, 2 log of x. Divide means subtract, log of k. Choice 3, correct. Okay, they want us to write it as a log because all the answers are logs. So let's see, fourth root means raising to the 1/4 power, but everybody on the top only is being raised to the 1/4 power, so I'm going to be careful. I'm going to say 1/4, parentheses, x squared, so 2 log of x plus log of y, because multiplication means addition, close the parentheses because those are the only guys being fourth rooted, divided by, so minus log of z. So that would be choice, yep, you're correct, 2. All right, let's go on to number 5. Log b of x equals log b of p plus log b of t minus 1/2 log b of q. I have common bases, so I can use the properties. Okay, so addition means multiplication. So p times t, subtraction means division. Half means raising to the half power. Q to the half power means the square root of q. So it's choice 3. Express the following, or the expression 1/3 log m minus 2 log n is equivalent to. Let's see, they're both logs with no base, so it's common basis because there is no base. A third is in the front, so it probably was an exponent. M to the third means cube root of m, so cube root of m. Subtraction means division. 2's in the front, so it's an exponent of n squared. So it's got to be choice, you're right, 4. All right, let's go on to the next page. A black hole is a region in space where objects seem to disappear. A formula used to study the black hole is the Schwarzschild formula, R equals 2gm divided by c squared. Based on the law of logarithms, log of r would be, all right, 2 in the front of the g is not an exponent because there is no log there. So it's going to be log of 2 plus because it's multiplication, log of g plus log of m minus, there's my exponent, 2 log of c. So that's going to be choice 3. All right, number 8, find the value of the following. Well, I have common bases, so I can use the properties. Addition means multiplication. So it's going to be log 6 of 36. I don't have an answer, so I'm going to do change of base. Log of 36 divided by log of 6. Let's put that in the calculator and see what we end up with. You're correct. It's 2. All right, number 9. Log base 2 of 32 minus log base 2 of 1. I can't subtract because it's log, and subtraction means multiplication. So I'm going to have log base 2 of, or subtraction means, division. 32 divided by 1 is 32. So now that I have it down to a single log, I can actually do change of base. Log of 32 divided by log of 2. Put it in the calculator. What do you get? You're correct. It's 5. Now remember, in order for us to have solved 8 and 9, we had to actually apply the properties, because in order to actually do change of base, you can only have it written with 1 log. You can't actually solve with more than 1 log. So you get it down to a single log using the properties, and then we were able to do change of base. We're going to save number 10 for class tomorrow. Have a good evening.